10, making a change in the name of transparency.
There are new reporting requirements this year for Arizona small businesses, and they face big fines if those requirements are ignored.
ABC 15's Marissa Sarbach takes a closer look.
And I don't know that a lot of people know about it. I mean, I have a lot of friends in business, and I don't know that they know about it.
Paul Ward is one of about 600,000 small business owners in Arizona. With a few exceptions, they'll all be required to file with the new 2024 Corporate Transparency Act, meaning they'll have to share certain basic information with the federal government.
I think if you are somebody who engages with lawyers or CPAs, you probably would have heard about it through them. But there's been no official channel about it at all.
Business owners often create LLCs and leave their personal identities out of them for a multitude of reasons, sometimes to protect themselves from liability or just keep a sense of privacy.
A lot of the companies are owned, their members are other companies. So you have to kind of follow the paper trail as to find out who the owner, the actual individual is of that company.
Kimber Howard, a paralegal at Davis Miles, who specializes in the Corporate Transparency Act, says larger corporations that are already heavily regulated won't be affected by this. But all small business owners in Arizona and across the country will have to file, with just a few exemptions.
If they meet certain type of criteria, such as having 21 employees, if they do $5 million a year, if they have an actual physical facility that they work out of, all three of those together will exempt an entity from having to file.
Kimber has been helping small business owners do their reports and constantly gets the question, why is the federal government doing this?
To stop laundering and, supporting certain things going on around the world that are not to our benefit. Let's just say terrorism or things of that nature. We want to really definitely stop terrorism from, or funding any type of terrorism.
Companies formed before 2024 will have until the end of the year to file, but companies established this year only have 90 days to do so. If a business owner doesn't follow the new law, Kimber says they'll be subjected to fines of $500 each day.
I think you're performing a great service to let people know that if you've got a small business in Arizona, because not the big ones that are on the hook, it's people like me with a little LLC.
Marissa Sarbach, ABC 15 Arizona.
Well, there is no fee to report your beneficial ownership information through the Corporate Transparency Act, and you can do it on the website that's on your screen right now. There is also a list of exempt businesses on that government website.